a mutation that adds or deletes a base and shifts the DNA sequence. Frameshift mutation. A frameshift mutation changes how DNA is read, often leading to major protein changes. Imagine you're following a recipe to bake a cake, and you accidentally skip a step or add an extra ingredient. Just like how this mistake can throw off the entire process and lead to a cake that doesn't turn out as expected, a frameshift mutation occurs when an extra base is added or deleted in the DNA sequence, altering the way the genetic instructions are read from that point on. In this analogy, each step or ingredient in the recipe represents a base in the DNA sequence. And just as missing or adding an ingredient affects the final cake, adding or deleting a base shifts the entire genetic code, potentially affecting the resulting protein.